Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans, and welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week is the week of June 1st through the 7th, and I am using this kit from Scribble Co. This was actually her May mystery kit of this year. Actually, no, just kidding. It's the April mystery kit from this year. I just thought it was very cute because of the ice cream, and it just reminds me of summer. So this is, I guess, like my first summer kit or my summer spread. It is June 1st, so to me that's kind of like the beginning of summer. So yeah, so that's why I decided to use it. I love the rose gold with it. I haven't used rose gold in quite a while, I think. I'm like looking back in my planner. I think it was like the first week of March, or it was the first week of quarantine. So that week of March 16th. Looks like it was the last time I used rose gold. So I used it because it came with the mystery kit and I thought it matched pretty well. So I went ahead and pulled in some of my own rose gold stickers I had in my collection. But yeah, for the bougie boxes, I am using some from Sticky Essentials that I've had for quite a while now, and some day extenders, and that's pretty much it. I don't really know what else to say, and I feel like I'm always like that. Oh, I guess now's a good time to kind of do a self promo. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me. It is Erica Marie Plans, so you can see like close-ups of videos, and I've been talking a little bit on there, not a whole lot, but definitely check me out. And then also my last video, if you have not seen that, I will link it down below too, and I'll put a little card here. It is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so I did a little bit of like a get to know me video and a face-to-face video because I've never shown my face before on here to you guys, so I just thought it was like a good time to do that, especially for like this giveaway video and such like a big milestone in this YouTube planner like journey. So make sure to check that out. I do have a giveaway that is like the prizes are pretty awesome. There's shop credits to my favorite shops. I have Ice Cream Joe, Letters to Apollo, Kinsey's Creations, and Scribble Co. If you guys want to be entered to win into that giveaway, or if you guys want to enter to win that giveaway, make sure to go watch that video and comment in the comment section to be entered for the random drawing. And that does end July 1st at 8 a.m. So make sure to go do that. You may enter in as many times as you like. I've had some people ask, like, how do you enter in a lot of times? Just copy and paste your comment, and then, yeah, I'm just going to randomly pick someone, and then I'll let you guys know who won. On YouTube, I'll comment back, and then I'll also try and find you on Instagram, just so I can, like, catch you guys in both places. But yeah, so make sure to go check that out. So, okay, let's go ahead and get into the day by day. First thing on Monday, it was June 1st. I don't know if it's just me. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way, but when the month begins on a Monday, it just like, it feels like a brand new start. So I decided to treat it like that. On June 1st, I decided to go start running again, which did not last very long. I've only ran a handful of times this month, just because it's so hot here and I cannot do it. The last time I ran was actually last week, and I had to walk home because I was starting to get like heat exhaustion, like I was getting the chills. So I had to walk home for 4 miles. And it was painful because I was just like dying. So yeah, but let's just get into this part. So like I said, I started running. I used the script from SPC and a Steamy from Wonton in a Million. I also got an Alani new package this day. I think it was some energy drinks. Probably, because that's usually what I order there nowadays. So I got an Alani new package. I also did some reading this day. I used a munchkin to mark that. I made dinner. Don't remember. Oh, I made this shrimp that my best friend Gabby made. That is really good. So she made it like my last day. I was before I left to come to Arizona, and so I decided to do my take on it. It came out really good, but it was kind of dry. I forget what it's called. Oh, pasta al lemon. I don't know. It's really good. It was just like a lemon pasta. So I made that, and I used a Coffee Monsters Co. sticker to mark it. We also had the electrician come in this day. All of our outlets weren't working, and both of our offices, which was a pain in the butt because we like needed to get work done and I couldn't edit any videos or like film because none of our outlets worked. So we needed an electrician to come and check it out. So it's all fixed, obviously. And then we gave our dogs, or not we, I shouldn't say we, my boyfriend gave our dogs a bath. And it had been quite a while since our dogs have gotten a bath. So, and we have a really nice, like it's huge. Like we could all fit in there in our shower. It's the biggest shower I've ever seen. So we just threw the dogs in there. My boyfriend gave them a bath because we can just kind of lock them in there while we did it. And yeah, and so I actually need a bath today. So we'll end up doing that later. My boyfriend went to hockey this day, and I used a Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that. We also did some more unpacking. The unpack script is from Station Stickers, and then I used a munchkin carrying a box. I also vacuumed this day, which it needs to be done right now too. But we have all hardwood, and so it's really easy to see all the dog hair everywhere, so it needs to be vacuumed quite often. We had some cuddle time. The cuddle time script is from Letters to Apollo. And then I did a bunch of laundry this day. We still did not have our washer, so I was doing laundry in the tub, and I absolutely hated it. So I did a whole big load this day. And then I think I washed the sheets, and so I used a GP Studio sticker to mark that we changed the sheets. Moving on into Tuesday. Sorry, I just hit my mic. Tuesday I filmed a video and I used a Stick with the Plan Co. girl to mark that. I love these stickers. I love her stickers in general. I think they're super cute. And then I used a film script from SPC. Oh, my dog is crying. He's like dreaming. Sorry. And then I did some more laundry this day. I used a laundry script from SPC and a Fox and Pip girl. With the laundry basket. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. I don't want to wake him up because I heard you're not supposed to wake up dogs that are in the middle of a dream because it like scares them even more. So I just kind of let it happen. It's so sad though. Okay, and then also on Tuesday, I used a doodle from SPC to mark that I made smoothies. Later on Tuesday, me and my boyfriend just had a really good talk. I don't remember what it was about, but it must have been a good talk because I marked it. The With Dean script is a custom from Right Brain Paper Co. And I used another Stick with the Plan Co. couple sticker. We also watched this documentary on Netflix. I can see it being controversial. Oh my god, I can't say that word. Controversial to some people. But it is kind of like a conspiracy video. But my boyfriend doesn't like me calling it a conspiracy video because he really believes it. And I am not the most open-minded person in the world. I'm really trying to be. But after watching this video, it did kind of open up my eyes a little bit on some certain things. So it's on YouTube. And I feel like it's kind of like a judgmental type video. If you want to watch it, go watch it. It is called Fall Cabal. You'll see like how to like spell it out when you look at the close-ups, but that's what it's called. I'm not going to get into it at all, like what it's about, but if you are interested in any like governmental type conspiracy things, you can go check that out. But we watched it. My boyfriend's been begging me to watch it the past few months, and so he finally sat me down and made me watch it, and it was interesting. And then I also made some pot pie this day for dinner, and I played some not Pokemon Go, just regular Pokemon. I think I have the Shield one, or the Sword. I don't know, either one, because those are the only two that are available on the Switch. But I played my Pokemon game. Moving on into Wednesday, I started the day off with my boyfriend going to hockey I think he goes at like 5 a.m. So that was the first thing I marked. I also did some more laundry this day and made us smoothies. And I decided to get ready this day. I have not gotten ready since March 13th. Maybe I got ready a couple times, but not really. So I decided to finally just like get myself ready a little bit, put some mascara on. I don't wear foundation because I'm too lazy for that. But yeah. So I marked that I got ready. Used a Fox and Pip girl to mark that. Our rent was due. This isn't the first time we paid rent. We had to pay rent like when we first moved in, but it was like a prorated rent because we were only here for 8 days of the month. So this is our first full month in the house, And so we had to pay rent, and so I marked that with a Papershire house sticker. Actually, that's not even a house sticker now that I think about it. So why did I do that? That's a schoolhouse sticker. Oh well, it kind of looks like a house, but whatever. And then I decided to brew some iced tea. That sticker is also from Papershire. I did the dishes, and the script is from SPC. I also did some more unpacking this day, and same thing, the unpacked script is from Station Stickers, and then a Once More with Love box sticker. And then this day I marked that I was so proud of my dog Pence. My boyfriend's business partners came over, and he was like chilling with them. If you don't know this, because I know I've mentioned it before, my dog has extreme anxiety, cannot be around other people. If there is a noise that is very unfamiliar, like he will freak out and literally like poop himself because he's so scared. But he was just hanging out with them, which was the weirdest thing for me to see. Like, he's never done that before. But so I was just really proud of him. And then I also made dinner. I made some chicken adobo because it's my boyfriend's favorite, and decided to make that for him. And then I used a Fox and Pip Girl to mark that I did some filming and editing. Moving on into Thursday, June 4th. It was my sister's sweet 16 birthday. So weird to me because I still see her as like an infant, which is so weird to me that she's now 16. Yeah, so I marked that with a happy birthday script from SPC and a Fox and Pip Girl holding balloons. I also had a Plan With Me go live, and that script is from Letters to Apollo. Had some me time while I read my book, and then I also had to email Lululemon, so I used a laptop to mark that. I did a voiceover this day, and the voiceover script is from Ice Cream Joe, who's also in my giveaway, so make sure to go enter that. And then I watched some Riverdale, which now that I think about it, I have not watched Riverdale in a long time. I need to watch it because I know the full season is out on Netflix, so maybe I'll do that today. But I used a Munchkin to mark that, and the Riverdale script is from Kinsey's Creation, who is also in my giveaway. Moving on to the later day of Thursday, I did some shopping. Don't know who I did some shopping from. I've been shopping like crazy lately, but I did some shopping. I also got a Lululemon package in, which is always great. I love getting some new product from Lululemon. And then I had McDonald's this day because I just really was not feeling the best. I just felt like eating junk food, so I DoorDashed the McDonald's. The McDonald's script is from SPC, and then I believe those french fries are from the Coffee Monsters Co., I think. And then I also marked that I made breakfast. I didn't make breakfast for dinner. It wasn't the last thing I did. I think it was like the first thing I did, but I forgot to put it in, so that's why I put it down towards the bottom. Moving on into Friday, I used a GP Girl to mark having coffee this morning. I think I made a very intricate cup of coffee, so that's why I marked it. And then the More Coffee, Less Talky script is from Ice Cream Joe. I also made more breakfast this day. The doodle is from SPC. And then I filmed a video, and then the script again is from Ice Cream Joe, and the icon is actually came with the wiggle with this kit. I also got some Happy Mail from Scribble Prints Co. These Scribble Prints Co. stickers, I think she has a revamped of these on her shop right now that came out I think this week. But those are from Scribble Prints Co. I think that was when she was doing her oops of the lavender hollow wiggle, and I bought 5 of them, so I got those that day. We also had our first date night since the beginning of March. So we finally went out, got some dinner at our favorite restaurant called Banderas. There used to be one in Sacramento that we would go to for special occasions. It is expensive. It's a pretty expensive dinner. But it's so good, and we decided to go because there's one here in Arizona, and I don't think there is any in California at the moment that I know of. I think it was the only one in Sacramento, and they closed it down 2 years ago in 2018. So we haven't gone since. but there's one in Scottsdale that we went to, and it was so good. It was just like how we remembered. They didn't have the spinach dip, unfortunately, because that's like the best spinach dip you can get anywhere, but everything else was amazing. And then we ended our night with some popcorn in Dexter, and I also wanted to mark this in there, but I didn't have room. But it was a stormy night this night. It was so weird. There was like lightning and thunder, but it is, I think I mentioned this in my last plan with me, that monsoons happen often here. But yeah, it was really cool to watch, actually. Moving on into Saturday. Saturday I did another workout, so I used a Fox and Pip grill to mark that, and I filmed a plan with me this day. We also went on a Costco run, which was my first Costco run here since like moving, and got quite a few things. The Costco run script is from Letters to Apollo. I also had a headache this day. Really wasn't feeling the best. The headache script is from Kinsey's Creation, and I used a See What the Plan Co sticker, and then I was just in my feelings. It really wasn't the best day. Yeah, just having one of those days, which happens every once in a while. The In My Feelings script is from SPC, and I used a Eeyore sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co, I think. And then we had a movie night to end our night. We watched Spider-Man. I don't know what's Spider-Man. Which one was it? It's one of the newer ones with Tom Holland, and he goes to like Europe or something. I'm not a big superhero movie person, but we watched it. And then on Sunday I did another run this day, and then I had then I called my friend Gabby because we hadn't talked in a while, and we're trying to make it a habit of calling once a week. I literally just got off the phone with her right now, and she said she's gonna watch this. So but yeah, we're gonna make it at least once a week thing. I also had a nail appointment this day. I finally got my nails done, and it just was so nice to have them done again. And then I did a Target run to go pick up a couple things. And then also this day was a very, very significant day because I finally beat Dean in chess. I have not beat him before. It's so hard. I think I had a little advantage because he was very sleep deprived and just had not slept in probably like 2 days because he works so much. But I finally beat him, and it was so awesome. And then we had our wine night this day, and we ended up washing his car. I still need to wash my car because it's filthy from the drive over here. And then we ended our night with watching Cabin in the Woods because I've never seen that, but it was a really good movie. I love movies like that, that are kind of just like, they're very foreshadowing in the beginning, and it's just like you look back and like, oh my gosh, all this kind of ties in. But yeah, so this is what my spread looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You will be seeing a lot of videos from me this week because I need to film a whole lot. I have a collab actually coming up next week for the 4th of July, so look out for that. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and enter that giveaway if you haven't entered yet. You guys have a couple more days, and it's really good prizes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next plan with me. All right, bye guys.